Would you like to know how to add years to your life by simply sitting less? Well, in today's video, we'll share why sitting more than 6 hours a day is killing seniors, and reveal 3 simple fixes that can help you stay active and even add years to your life. So let's get started. Point No. 1. Why you should never sit for more than 6 hours a day. Numerous studies have shown that sitting for extended periods can have detrimental effects on both physical and mental health, especially for seniors. Here are some key reasons why you should avoid sitting for more than 6 hours daily. A. Increased risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke. Prolonged sitting can lead to poor blood circulation, elevated blood pressure, and increased levels of harmful lipids in the blood, all of which contribute to heart disease and stroke. A study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that individuals who sat for more than 8 hours a day had a higher risk of developing cardiovascular disease compared to those who were more active. Similarly, a meta-analysis published in the British Medical Journal concluded that long periods of sitting were associated with an increased risk of stroke. B. Weight gain and obesity. A sedentary lifestyle can lead to weight gain and obesity, which can increase the risk of developing various health conditions. Studies have shown that prolonged sitting can reduce calorie expenditure, disrupt hormonal levels responsible for appetite regulation, and decrease muscle mass, all of which can contribute to weight gain and obesity. In fact, a study published in the International Journal of Obesity found that those who sat for longer periods had a higher body mass index compared to those who were more active. C. Type 2 diabetes. Prolonged sitting can lead to insulin resistance, which is a key factor in the development of type 2 diabetes. Research has shown that extended periods of sitting can impair glucose metabolism, reduce insulin sensitivity, and increase fasting blood sugar levels, all of which can elevate the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that individuals who engaged in more physical activity had a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. D. Musculoskeletal problems. A sedentary lifestyle can contribute to various musculoskeletal problems, including muscle stiffness, joint pain, and osteoporosis. Studies have shown that prolonged sitting can lead to muscle atrophy, reduced joint mobility, and decreased bone density, all of which can increase the risk of developing musculoskeletal issues. A study published in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science found that older adults who participated in regular physical activity had better muscle strength and balance compared to those who were more sedentary. E. Mental health issues. Prolonged sitting can negatively impact mental health, leading to increased levels of stress, anxiety, and depression. Studies have shown that a sedentary lifestyle can disrupt neurotransmitter levels, impair cognitive function, and reduce social interactions, all of which can contribute to mental health issues. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Affective Disorders found that individuals who were more physically active had lower levels of depression and anxiety. In light of these risks, it is crucial for seniors to prioritize regular movement and breaks from prolonged sitting to maintain their overall health and well-being. By incorporating physical activity into their daily routine and ensuring adequate rest, seniors can mitigate these risks and enjoy a better quality of life as they age. Now that you know the risks of sitting for long periods, let us discuss 3 simple fixes to help you stay active and avoid the negative consequences of a sedentary lifestyle. Point 2. Set reminders to get up and move. One effective way to combat the adverse effects of prolonged sitting is by setting reminders to get up and move regularly. This can be easily achieved by utilizing smartphone alarms or calendar notifications. Setting reminders every 30 minutes to an hour can help break up long periods of sitting and promote movement throughout the day. When the alarm goes off, take a quick break to stretch, walk around, or do some light exercises such as chair squats or desk push-ups. These short breaks can help improve blood circulation, reduce muscle stiffness, and prevent mental fatigue. Additionally, standing up and moving around can help stimulate the release of endorphins, which can boost your mood and increase feelings of well-being. By incorporating regular movement into your routines, you can counteract the negative effects of prolonged sitting and improve your overall health and productivity. Next, invest in a desk that encourages movement. Another great way to overcome the challenges of a sedentary lifestyle is by investing in a desk that encourages movement. Consider purchasing a standing desk that allows you to switch between sitting and standing positions throughout the day. Standing desks can help promote better posture, improve blood circulation, and burn additional calories, which can aid in weight management. To make the transition easier, start by setting a timer to stand up for 1 minute every half an hour while you re-working. Gradually increase the duration of your standing breaks and aim for at least 2 to 3 minutes of standing. You can also try using a desk that rocks or a balance board to engage your core muscles and improve stability. By incorporating movement into your workspace, you can create an environment that supports a healthy and active lifestyle. Take advantage of opportunities for physical activity, in addition to making changes to your workspace. It is also important to take advantage of opportunities to incorporate physical activity into your daily routine outside of work. One effective way to achieve this is by scheduling meetings or appointments during your breaks so that you have an excuse to get out of your seat and move around. For example, if you have a lunch break, schedule a meeting with a friend or colleague and meet them at a nearby park where you can walk and talk. Additionally, consider taking the stairs instead of the elevator whenever possible. If you drive to work, park farther away from the entrance and walk the extra distance. Even small increases in physical activity can make a significant difference in improving your overall health and well-being. By being intentional about incorporating movement into your day, you can counteract the negative effects of prolonged sitting and enjoy a better quality of life. So there you have it, folks. Sitting for more than 6 hours a day can be detrimental to your health. But by following the tips above, you can stay active and potentially add years to your life. Remember, breaking up long periods of sitting, investing in a movement-encouraging desk, and taking advantage of opportunities for physical activity can all help you maintain a healthier and more active lifestyle. So get up from your seat, move around, and live a longer, better life. And before we go, don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. And if you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.